this video I'll be teaching you how to download or reinstall your TikTok app on your phone if you deleted yours. Go your app store and you search for TikTok. You see TikTok is nowhere to be found. Go to your settings, search date and time, search date and time, change your time zone to Canada. Any place in Canada, change your time zone to Canada. Make sure your sets automatically is off. You download this VPN, download Ostrich VPN, or any free VPN that you wish is okay for you. Then connect to Canada. Go to your browser. This video I'm making is for educational purpose. Then search for Canada generator address. Anyone, just search for anyone. Then you can actually go for this first one. You can go for the first one. Go to your profile, select your name, then click on change country and region. Click on it. Change country and region, then scroll down to Canada. You'll see, scroll down to Canada, select Canada, agree, select none. And if you are unable to change, because most people linked their card, maybe if you're unable to change your App Store to Canada, or maybe find it very difficult in switching your App Store from United States because of your iTunes music and the rest of it, if you're unable to switch to Canada, you can actually create a new Apple ID without linking up your card. Then when you create a new Apple ID, then you now switch it to Canada after verifying your Apple ID in the United States. So I will still teach you how to do that. Select none. Maybe this is a new account that you created. Select none, then select street. Then let's copy the street name. Copy the street name here. Street, paste, city. Which city was that? City, you paste. Which province is that? Okay. Yeah. Then the postal code. That's the postal code. You copy the postal code, you paste. Then the number, that's the phone number. It's just like US number. You can actually forge a number. To get it done. Just forge a number. Just get it done. Then next, just wait for it. Then you receive a mail that you have changed. Yeah, you receive a mail that you have updated your App Store. You see that? It's done. You can close it or you open it again. Then search TikTok. Search for TikTok. You see? That's TikTok. Then you'll be able to download the TikTok pack again. Update it, download anything if you want to update. Then like I was saying, if you find it very difficult to change your App Store from because you link your card or your iTunes is being linked up to, if your subscription is still available in United States, you'll not be able to switch your App Store from United States to another country unless you cancel your subscription. And if you don't want to do that, you can actually create a new Apple ID. It's very easy to create. You can actually go to your browser, you search Apple ID, you see Apple ID.apple.com, click on it, or you search on Google, anyone. So I will leave the link on the description there. on the description. Then you can actually click on it and sign up for. Then name, first name, United States. Just select United States, month, day, year, email, password. Once you get all these things done, you can actually use your phone number again to receive a test. Even the one you use in opening your old Apple ID, you can still use it to open a new one too. But once you're done verifying, then you don't need to sign out from your App Store and from your settings. You don't need to sign out the Apple ID, the old Apple ID from here. You don't need to sign it out from here. So what you need to do is go back to your App Store, click here, scroll down. You see sign out. Once you see sign out, you sign out. Once you sign out, then you sign in. You still click here. Then you see sign in. You sign in the new Apple ID. Once you sign in the new Apple ID, you'll be able to, voila, you're able to get your things done. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and don't forget to share. Your comment is needed. I appreciate that. See you guys